Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify your identity on Freecash. I opened Freecash the other day because I needed to complete identity verification to fully access the account features. So I logged in and made sure my email was confirmed since I unlocked the dashboards properly. And once I was inside, I went straight to my profile section in the top corner where account settings are located. Then I look for the identity verification prompt that usually appears when your account isn't fully verified yet. And when I clicked the Start Verification option, it redirected me to a third party verification system used by the platform, where I had to select my country and choose an ID type like a passport, driver's license, or national ID, depending on what's available. Then I uploaded clear images, making sure there was no blur, glare, or missing details. And in some cases, it also asked for a selfie or live face scan to confirm the identity. And after submitting everything, I just waited for processing, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. And once approved, the account shows a verified status in the notifications, which honestly makes the whole system feel pretty straightforward as long as the documents are clear and submitted correctly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.